So hello friends, my name is Akash and you're watching Bay Engineer 13. So today's video is on the what I have Tornado Wyvron Beyblade. Yes, this is my Tornado Wyvron Beyblade metal version. So it has free spinning ring and the atomic driver also. Here I'm going to show you. It spins freely. So it is atomic driver plus it have this pre-spinning ring and it's a defensive Beyblade. It means it absolutely works as the to stop the attacking Beyblade. So let's start a battle between this Beyblade and attacking Beyblade. I'm going to play 5 rounds. First round 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it. Oh, it stops attack. Goes. That's the atomic driver shield crash. Oh wow, the attack. So the first point goes to the Tornado Wyvron Beyblade, our metal version, and it's really nice. Second round. Sorry guys, because I am not editing this video. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh. This is second round. 3, 2, 1, let it. OMG, the attack is too powerful. The Beyblade can't stop it. Therefore, that the second round goes to attack type Beyblade. So whenever I watch some channels who make Beyblades on their channel, they don't do the battle with their Beyblades. I don't know why. I think they face to if someone watch them that their Beyblade breaks and they teach us how to make the Beyblade and it breaks, then we know what should happen. 3, 2, 1, let it. But not this channel, because whenever I make some tutorial videos, that time I make battle videos of the Beyblade I make on my channel. So I know I was too low tutorial video and more battle video. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, the attack power is invincible, and then the second point goes to attack type Beyblade. Friends, keep watching our channel because earlier I'm going to upload the video of homemade Cyclone Stadium. So stay tuned on our channel. 3, 2, 1, let it. I'm going to show you some parts. It is not ready now. It's half work is done of Beyblade Cyclone Stadium. It's the fourth round. 3, 2, 1, got it. Get in. What the attack is this? Its attack power is amazing. And that's the time for the last round. Wyvron have 2 points. Attack type have 2 points. This round will decide who is going to be a winner. 3, 2, 1, let it. I think this time the Wyvron is on the fire. I'm hearing that he's saying that I'm going to win this round with a big defense power. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, it hurts really hurts. What the hell is that? You burst my Wyvron. You burst it. Yes, I can fix it. It is really easy to fix it. Yes, it's ready. Actually, it's a burst Beyblade. can't remember to say it, but it is a burst. Awesome! It's the first time my metal Beyblade burst easily. So friends, it was today's video. If you like this video, then like and subscribe our channel Bay Engineer 13 and press the bell icon to see our latest videos on our channel Bay Engineer 13. Bye bye. In next video, oh no, not in next video, but it's coming that I'm going to upload the video of Beyblade Cyclone Stadium. It's not ready now, but after it's being ready, it will be really awesome. The Cyclone Stadium, and I'm going to do some battle video in this stadium. And bye bye, meet you and stay tuned to watch the Beyblade Cyclone Stadium.